how to change phone number on Ticketmaster account. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you change your phone number on Ticketmaster account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you will have to open any browser on your system, and after you open the browser, in the search field you will have to type for ticketmaster.com, and after you type it, you'll have to just log in with your Ticketmaster account, and after you log in, you'll get such interface. So from here, at the top right corner, you'll get options like my account. So simply from there, you'll have to just click on that option, my account. Alright, so after you click on that, you'll get a lot of options from here. So from here, click on the option settings. Alright, so after you click on settings, you'll have to scroll down and find out the options like phone number, and from the phone number section, you'll have to click on the option update phone number, and after you tap on that update phone number, you'll be able to see your options like add your phone number or update your phone number. And after you add a phone number here, you'll have to just click on the option add number. Alright, so after you add your number on that section, you'll be able to verify with your verification code that will receive on your phone number. So after you verify with your verification code, you'll be able to easily update or change the phone number on your Ticketmaster account. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.